Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come with you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas at the Gilbert compound. As always, in case you didn't know, check that out. Pop and Yaya on YouTube. Like, subscribe, and comment. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I thought so. Hey, I got a box in the mail today, and it's from my buddy Bullfrog. And we're going to open it up and check it out. Woo. Let's see what we got. Now, I will not be eating anything today unless I find it fun and eventful. Ooh, he's taped it up pretty well, I might say. I might also say that this is probably one of the biggest boxes I think I've seen. What do you think, babe?
Maybe.
This very well could be one of the biggest boxes yet. Now, Bullfrog, he's going to start selling these. So y'all need to check him out. If you know Bullfrog, you know Bullfrog. And if you don't know Bullfrog, then you need to. Because Bullfrog he's a legend in our stuff. I don't even know what this looks like. I haven't had a picture. I don't know nothing. So you're going to find out when I find out. Oh man. He taped that thing up good. Good job. Surprised I haven't had any of these opened up yet. Ooh.
Wow, look pretty.
Check that out, guys. Wow. That is gnarly awesome. What do you think, babe?
Beautiful.
Oh my God. That's a Jay's Sugar Rush, I believe. I could be wrong. Please tell me if I'm wrong. But I think this is a Sugar Rush Ghost. I think. It looks like a ghost. But it looks like a sugar. I don't think that one made it very well. But that's still a nice, gnarly pod right there. Absolutely. I have no idea what that is, but that is cool. Look at the tail on that mofo. Look at that. That is cool. Have you ever seen a pepper like that? I almost want to just eat this thing. It look. Oh my God. That looks like the banana with his clothes. That's the banana. That's the banana with his clothes. That's hilarious. Check that out. That's cool as heck. I like that. All right. So we got this guy here. I've been needing this. This is a Starburst, I believe. I've been needing these. I need these for seeds. I don't even have a clue what this is. Could be I don't know. I'm not even going to try. But check that out. Isn't that gnarly? That's a pretty pepper right there. Wow. You know, I'm going to go out on a limb, and I'm going to say this gnarly little baby is a Carolina Reaper. Ah, that's a pretty one. That's nice. Ooh, check out that gnarly pepper. That looks like that's going to hurt. That is gorgeous. This one here don't look like it made it too well either, but it'll be okay. It's still good for seeds. It'll be all right. Then we got this one here. I believe I know what this one is. It's a 7-in-1, I believe. I don't even know what that means, but that's what the other pepper I had like this said. I got this one. That's nice. That's a pretty pepper. I like those. I honestly have no clue what they are, but I like them. There's another one of those banana looking things. I don't have a clue what that is, but that's really cool. I'm going to save every one of these seeds. I'm gonna grow those myself. That looks like another, that looks like a ghost pepper. That looks like a ghost pepper. Another Reaper. Nice little tail on it. I do not own the rights to that music.
Thank you. I didn't mean to do that.
Nor did I approve of that interruption.
Sorry.
It's okay, no problem. I was just playing. But there's that. That's a nice little pepper. Check that out. That's pretty sweet. Man, another one of those banana ones. I'm glad I got a lot of these. That way I can save the seeds, because these are adorably weird. That's nice. Check that out. Wow. Another ghost. White ghost. Another white ghost. Another white ghost here. Check that one out. That's a gnarly pepper right there. Hey, babe. Come here for a minute. Look at that. I dropped one right over there. Would you get that for me? It's underneath my table. Check that out. That is nice. Ooh, check this out. This little guy ran away from me. I think I should be the one running away from it. Wow, that's a nice pepper. Check this out. I think that's a baby ghost. That's cool. Ooh, check that one out. That's some good peppers. Good job there, buddy. I will definitely be doing some good fun stuff with these. I'm going to be tasting some and saving all the seeds, and that's a beautiful pepper, guys. That's my second time showing it, but I'm saving every one of those babies. And that's awesome. That is totally awesome. That's some good stuff going on there. You know, I feel like I need to try one of these. What do y'all think as a bonus? You think I should try one of these as a bonus, babe?
Yeah.
Well, looks like I'm going to try one. I have a feeling it's going to hurt. But I have no idea. I ain't never seen no pepper looking like this. So, I'm going to give it a shot. All right, could you give me some gloves over there, babe? Safety first. Safety, the #1 priority. Yes, crazy Russian hacker, you're awesome. All right, here we go. Bullfrog. Interesting story about the name Frog. Frog is what we used to call my father. My father had this, he could play a guitar like Roger McGuinn, and he was really awesome. And he'd play that guitar and play that guitar, but he had this stupid hat, you know, kind of like me. I have these stupid hats. And he had this hat, and this hat had a frog on it. And that frog was playing a guitar. So my dad wore the same hat for many, many years. And people just started calling him Frog because of his frog hat. Isn't that amazing? Now Frog is like, every time we see a frog, we think of Dad. Pretty cool. He's been gone since '96. But my sister Mildred has taken on his legacy of the frog. So that's pretty cool. Anywho, got this going on here. I'm gonna open this little baby up. Take up all these seeds. Hopefully there's lots and lots. Oh, there's nice seeds up there. Uh-oh. Somebody's looking at the camera right now saying, "Don't do it! Don't do it!" I can see you now. I hear you. But I'm going to do it anyway. Don't do it, Bob. You don't know what you're doing. It's too hot. Yeah, I know. Bob can't help it. We ain't gonna do no sliver either. We're gonna do the whole pod and cry. If that's what it takes. I am saving the seeds. Because all seeds matter. Alright, guys. God bless America. Please like, add, subscribe, and comment. And it's time for me to hurt. Well, you know, it's definitely not a light pepper. It's not hot, but it's not like overpowering like a Carolina Reaper or a Ghost or even a habanero. It doesn't even have the heat of a habanero, but it's definitely a novelty. That was actually a pretty good pepper. It's got good flavor. It tastes it's very crunchy. It's got some citrusy flavors. I know everybody says that, but you know the heat's already gone. I could probably snack on those and use that as a snack. I was really thinking it was going to be a lot hotter than that, but it wasn't. But it had really good flavor. Good. It was very good. I could just sit down and eat a whole bowl of them. But anyway, like, add, subscribe, comment. God bless America. God bless you. Love y'all. When in doubt, remember, Pop and Yaya is always here for you. God bless you. Goodbye.